Picture it now. You're walking down Main Street, popcorn in the air, the castle gleaming in front of you. Disney is magical, but let's be real, it's also expensive. The good news? With the right miles and points strategy, you can make that dream trip way more affordable. Here's how.
This is the Serene Getaways.
First stop, flights. Whether you're heading to Orlando for Disney World or Anaheim for Disneyland, flights are the easiest part to cover with miles. You can transfer points from cards like Chase, Amex, Capital One, or Citi to airline partners, or book directly through their portals. Airlines like Southwest, JetBlue, Alaska, United, and Delta often have good award deals. Pro tip: if you have the Southwest Companion Pass, you can basically fly 2 people for the price of 1. On-property Disney hotels are tough to book with points, but Marriott's Swan, Dolphin, and Swan Reserve are your best bets. They're bookable with Marriott Bonvoy points and still give you Disney perks, like early entry and free transportation. Off-property, you'll find solid options with Hilton, Hyatt, and IHG. Many with free breakfast and shuttles to the parks. Here's the tricky part. Disney tickets. They don't usually code as travel, which means you can't book them directly with points. The workaround: buy them through third-party travel sites like Expedia or Priceline. Then redeem your points for a statement credit using cards like Capital One, VentureX, or Chase Sapphire Reserve. Don't forget food, Genie Plus passes, and of course, Mickey ears. Most in-park dining codes as restaurants, so cards like the Amex Gold or Chase Sapphire Preferred can earn you bonus points while you eat. If you're a true Disney fan, the Disney Visa card offers 10% off select dining and merchandise, but flexible rewards cards will usually give you more overall value. So, while points won't make Disney completely free, they can cover flights, hotels, and even offset tickets, saving you hundreds, maybe even thousands. With the right strategy, the most magical place on Earth doesn't have to break the bank. Thanks for watching Serene Getaways. If you love staying updated on the latest travel news and destinations, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a journey.